In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Google Docs. If you've ever needed to organize information, compare details side by side, or lay out a simple schedule, a table can make your document cleaner and easier to read. The process is quick, and once you know where to look, you'll be able to build the exact structure you need in just a few clicks. Start by deciding exactly where you want the table to appear in your document. Move your cursor to that spot by clicking once in the text. Placing the cursor carefully matters because Google Docs will insert the table right at that point. Think about the flow of your content. Do you want the table to sit under a heading between two paragraphs or at the end of a section? Getting the placement right now helps keep your document tidy and prevents extra rearranging later. Next, go to the top of the screen and open the Insert menu. From there, choose Table. As soon as you hover over Table, you'll see a small grid appear. This grid is where you choose the size of your table. Now drag your mouse across the grid to select the number of rows and columns you need. As you move, you'll notice the grid highlights to show the dimensions, like 3 by 4 or 5 by 2. Picture what you're organizing and count it out. How many separate categories do you need across the top, and how many entries will go down the side? If you're unsure, it's perfectly fine to start with a rough layout. You're simply telling Google Docs the initial shape of your table here. When the grid reflects the size you want, click once to insert the table. It will appear right where your cursor was, aligned with the rest of your document. You can begin adding content immediately. Click into the first cell and start typing, then move through the cells as you fill in your information. Text formatting like bold, italics, and alignment works inside table cells, so your content can look clear and consistent as you go. The cells will expand vertically to fit your text, which helps longer entries display neatly without extra effort. That's all there is to it. Place your cursor, open Insert, choose Table, drag to set your rows and columns, and click to drop it into the page. With these simple steps, you can structure your ideas clearly and make your document easier to understand.